In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot for your Power Automate. Whether you're streamlining workflows or automating repetitive tasks, having Copilot at your disposal can make a world of difference. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is sign into the Power Platform Admin Center. You can do this by navigating to admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com in your web browser. It's important to ensure that you have the necessary administrative privileges to proceed. Without the right access, making changes or enabling features won't be possible, so double-check your permissions if you encounter any issues accessing the right settings. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access the environment settings. On the left-hand side of the navigation pane, you will see a tab labeled Environments. Click on this to bring up the list of environments you have available. Select the specific environment where you want to enable Copilot. This choice is crucial since Copilot's functionalities will be restricted to the environment you activated in. Now, we move on to enabling cross-geo data sharing. With the environment selected, you'll want to locate and click on Settings. In there, navigate to Product, and then to Features. This is where it might look a bit unfamiliar if you haven't explored deeply before, but don't worry, you can take your time finding these options. In the Features section, you'll see a setting for cross-geo data sharing. You need to toggle this setting on. By enabling this, you're allowing data movement across different regions, which is essential for Copilot to function optimally. Next, we need to confirm regional availability. This is a key part of the process because you have to ensure that your environment is located in a region that supports Copilot. Typically, Copilot is available by default in regions with GPU infrastructure, like the UK, Australia, the US, and India. If your environment happens to be in one of these regions, you're in luck as it should work without a hitch. However, if your region doesn't have GPU support, then enabling the cross-geo data sharing is necessary to get Copilot up and running. This step facilitates Copilot's ability to operate by leveraging resources from regions that do have the required infrastructure. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to unlocking the power of Copilot in your Power Automate environment. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your workflow automation with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.